Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit on the market. The Turtle Wax 51768 Headlight Restore Kit, also known as the old version. If your headlights are looking dull or foggy, this kit promises to bring them back to life with clarity and brightness, improving your visibility and overall driving safety. First off, the Turtle Wax Headlight Restore Kit is designed to tackle medium oxidation on your headlights. Over time, headlights tend to yellow and get cloudy due to exposure to the sun and weather elements. This kit works by removing that oxidation and sealing the lens to prevent future yellowing. The restoration process dramatically improves the appearance of the headlight lenses, making them look almost like new again without needing any power tools. The kit includes everything you need for the job: a lens clarifying compound, a spray lubricant, restoration pads, and a lens sealing wipe to protect your headlights after cleaning. The process starts with cleaning the lens thoroughly. You'll want to use masking tape to protect the painted areas around your headlights before you begin. Then, you apply the lens clarifying compound directly on the lens, working one headlight at a time. If the headlights aren't fully clear after the initial application, the spray lubricant helps reduce friction while you work the restoration pads over the problem areas. This step smooths out the surface and removes haze and oxidation buildup effectively. After you've restored clarity, the final step is using the lens sealing wipe, which adds a protective layer that helps prevent the headlights from yellowing again quickly. One of the great things about this Turtle Wax kit is that you get impressive results without the need for complicated tools or power equipment. It's a simple and straightforward kit designed for anyone to use at home. The product comes in a compact package weighing just under 12 ounces, making it easy to handle and store. This restoration kit fits all types of vehicles and is compatible across various headlight types. Whether your car, truck, or SUV has halogen bulbs or other lighting setups, this kit will work to restore your lenses effectively. Turtle Wax has been a trusted name in automotive care for decades, and this kit lives up to their reputation. The Turtle Wax Headlight Restore Kit was first introduced back in 2012 and has continued to be a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. It holds a solid position in the automotive category, ranking high among headlight restoration kits due to its consistent performance. In summary, if you want to improve your headlights' brightness, enhance the look of your vehicle, and drive safer at night or in foggy conditions, the Turtle Wax 51768 Headlight Restore Kit is a solid pick. It removes medium oxidation, seals your headlights against future damage, and offers an easy-to-follow process without the need for extra tools. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in automotive care products and honest reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time for more product insights.